Guys, if you are on the market for a charger for your electric vehicle, then look no further. We have one that's going to be your new fave. So it is a fast charger one as well, and it comes with everything you need. All the essential components are here. Flipping it on the back side, you have your notice and your instructions on this sticker here. So, you know, it kind of gives you a general usage of what to do. Don't use this with an extension cord. Don't use it if the device cable is damaged, things of that sort. So I would 100% read this entirely through on your own as homework. And as well as that sticker that has on the back, it has the protective wiring and coatings on each of the sides here, you know, to make sure that the wiring isn't flying all over the place and that it's not safe. In terms of what type of device it is, it's an NEMA5, and that's a 15 power plug, and the voltage is 110. So that's the American standard. So, you know, just plugging it in, that's 110 voltage right there. So, and of course, this goes without saying, if the cord is wet, do not plug it in for whatever reason that is happening. Just be safe when you're using electronics, of course. And it has, you know, everything you need. This is where you would be plugging it into the actual device itself. Has that cap on there, right? You would be able to plug it in appropriately for your car and your device. So just make sure that you do that. It's kind of like at the pump when you have to lift the handle. There is a handle on this as well. So just heed that in mind when you are about to operate it. And it is, you know, safely packaged, comes with everything you need, and it's pretty much self-explanatory from there. So let us know how you like it.